So I never thought that I should go and settle there because I should serve my country first. I am more interested in serving my country rather than developing some other country.
Sir, I understand that during your tenure at NGEF, you held the position of general manager. Could you share how this experience, which encompassed both design and managerial roles, has influenced your skill set? Because it's often observed that people who are in the managerial positions, they tend to shift from this design aspects, design related works. Yet you have managed your design expertise. Could you elaborate on this unique balance and its impact on your career?
Yeah, basically I was a designer because I was in the design department from 1965 to 1989. Then what happened was I had an opportunity to learn everything, all varieties of design, all sizes of the motor, and I had a contact with customers also because whenever customer comes to the factory, he used to meet me as a designer and ask some questions and then check. So that gave me insight and connection with the customers also. Then after 89, I was shifted to marketing. So I was the deputy general manager marketing for quite some time. Then later I worked in exports department. Then I came to management. I was the general manager marketing for all products like transformers, motors, switchgears, everything. At that time, it was a fabulous connection with the customers, traveling to various places and also the other countries. Then I learned one thing as a marketing man, what one should learn is what to talk, how much to talk, and when to stop. Because you should be having an idea of watching the other man's face, whether he is listening or he is yawning. If he is listening, then you can talk a little more. If you find at any point of time that what you are talking is not interesting, we should stop. This is what I learned. This came very well when I was the general manager of the entire factory also. Then what happened was I was able to balance these things. That is, I should not keep on talking. I should first listen what the other man wants. Finally, I should only give my decision or my observation. If I start talking in the beginning itself, the other man who has come to talk to me gets agitated. So first thing is we kill the agitation by listening. So that is one thing which I learned, to listen to the people carefully till the last moment, and then we give our opinion and never impose anything. We give the options to the people. This is how it is, this is how it is. What do you take? Then he will be forced to take one of them. If I don't give options, he will force his view only. So thereby I can convert him from his view to my views. This is exactly what I learned.
That was great tips. Okay, thank you, sir. Sir, interestingly, I am also I have little fondness in mathematics, solving physics problems, you know. So, what was the typical life of engineering during that era? Like a time before the advent of computers, internet. Like I've heard that engineers relied on manual calculations rooted in fundamental physics and mathematics, like often to avoid this software-based computations. Could you share your insights on this approach and how it shaped your engineering practices?
See, this is very true that we learnt everything from basics. we can form the formulae ourselves. Whereas in software, everything is ready, you give input, you get output. But in between, if there is some problem, you cannot solve that problem. You cannot solve the required, get the required result. So we were calculating most of the things mentally. Even today, most of the small arithmetical problems we do mentally. We don't take the calculator. For example, squares, cubes is by heart for quite a number of levels. This made us learn our engineering mathematics properly, step by step, and I used it even in the calculation of the shafts, calculation of the bearing systems and all that by hand calculation and using only earlier slide rule. Later on we started using the calculator, but never a computer, because computer came after 90s, and I saw a computer first time in my life in 1972 in Germany. Then it was card punching and all that. Later on in NGF we saw computer only from 90 onwards. There we had no access. We had to go to a department, give our problems, and they will solve all the problems and then give it to us. But okay, after 95 or so, we had our own computers and all that. Then we learned. At that age also we learned. And today I can say that I am reasonably conversant with computers, but I cannot do any software. I am not a software engineer. I am hard working engineer.
Great.